Hi, yeah, so this is the Sonic Master team. I'm James and this is Sonic. So in this week 3 of 2018, we'll talk about what news do we have on this upcoming week. Alright, so
Alright, guys, as you can see from the screen, okay, in the early week we will be quite, like as a Monday and Tuesday go, it will be quite not much of the movement in my opinion, or even there is a movement, it won't carry so much weight. Okay, it can be a fake move as well. But the things that you really need to pay attention is on the especially on the Wednesday, we have a CHF chairman will be speaking, and of course it's a CAD. Okay, other than that, on the later week like a Thursday and Friday, we have a typical high impact news coming up. So in my opinion, start from a little bit from Tuesday, but start more from the Wednesday onward. I think the market will move in quite a bit of volatile manners. Okay, so there are a lot of money can be made, and we have to be careful as well. Okay, so let's do the analysis here. Okay, all right, first I would like to go with gold at the moment. All right, as you can see, gold have a pretty nice uptrend recently. We are expecting up move since quite some time back, and it's on really going in our favor. So market is really doing our so-called doing us a favor, right? At the moment, okay, as you can see, we are starting to see start of kind of like phase changes coming in. You can see it's like almost a bearish engulfing candle. So in my opinion, there may be some sort of retracement in the making. Okay, they can go back down to the nearest support level, such as around 1320 or 1317 level. But please bear in mind that we are still pretty much in the uptrend. So unless you are pretty fast on your trading style, okay, if you want to go with the flow, I would like to suggest that try not to short, or rather let the sell out take place. Sell down take place. Let them flush it out. Then when the bullish candles start to appear again, I think it's better for you to go long. So at least you will be in line with a better looking trend. Because if you go and short, if you go short now, yeah, maybe you may make a bit of money, but when the tide change that it go up further against you, you don't know what to do. So I think it's better for you to wait it out, let the sell down to unfold, let it go to the prominent support level, then go for a long. I think that would be a better so-called probability trade. Okay, so I'm expecting some sort of pullback. I to repeat that I'm expecting some sort of pullback, but in the longer run, I think it will go up a lot higher. All right, so this on gold. Okay, another one is on the Dow Jones. Okay, I have been telling that as you can see from our previous video, as you can see that we have been talking we are staying more on the bullish side, right? We are all stay on the bullish side because there's nothing much for us to be bearish about. Okay, the market is in terms of wave analysis, we have a lot of higher low forming. This is a pretty decent and pretty healthy uptrend in our opinion. Okay, it's just that recently market is pretty go up a lot, but there was much of the activity, which is volume for this case, is not really picking up. So I would like to say this, I would like to conclude that okay, we are staying in the uptrend, but of course we have to be careful as usual, because this is something that I would like to talk about. Unless there is something change coming up, then we will inform you in our Telegram, or we will do the weekly, we will mention it in our weekly video. All right, so please look out for that. Okay, another one will be British Pound JPY. All right, British Pound JPY have been on the strong pullback for a past few days. All right, one of the reasons that they have a strong pullback is okay, as you can see, we are in a very nice congestion zone, right? From around 151 around this level, so they immediately pull right back. So in my opinion, looks like they are sort of exhausting already. So what is happening right now is that they have a very nice resistance level such as 153 around 153.5. It's gonna act as a very good resistance. So as long as, put it that way, as long as this level, I repeat again, 153 to 153.5, 153.7, right? This range is holding. I think we can look for a short, hoping that it will go back down further down. Okay, of course, if there's a short setup appear, I think you can look for a TP around 150.50 again, so which is about 200 plus pips, right? or even go to the another resistance level such as 149.5, 1490. So it's like we will be talking nearly around 300 pips potential setups. So yep, I'm expecting some more sell down to come in. So let's see how it goes. All right. Okay. Another one is our favorite Bitcoin. Okay. If you follow our Telegram channel, we sort of like been telling, right? Telegram channel, Facebook, right? We have been telling about the Bitcoin for I think as far as I can remember, more than 2 months ago. So we have been informing people that okay, there was some sort of a very strong selling coming in since around 18,000 levels. So what is Bitcoin is doing is that they are no longer in the uptrend anymore. Guys, please, you need to take note. This is, to me, this is very much a typical textbook distributions looks like. All right, market may not immediately sell down, but to me it is not really strong anymore. So you see, they have been testing. Okay, there are two levels that you need to focus upon. All right, one is I have been talking that is around 13k or 13.300 level, right? Another one will be around 16,700 or 17k level. So what they are doing is that they are using these two level as support and resistance. You see, they bounce once, they go up a little bit, they bounce again, they go up back to this level, then they come back to bounce it up, right? Come back to test this support level. So what is happening right now, just today, right now? So they broke this level with a typically strong volume. In my opinion, guys, Bitcoin will have a hard time climbing back to this level already. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty bearish. Okay, pretty bearish. So where they might be going. So as you can see from here, this is our TP level number one, which we already hit today. So it's around 11k, 12k level. Okay, and another level, since it's already hit, no point talking, right? So another level that we are expecting is around 9,900 level. So it's like definitely I'm not bullish at all at the moment. They can easily, or they can even go back down to this level, 9,900 level. So it's not a good news for Bitcoin buyers, right? Because I can see that a lot of people are being stuck here already. So they're gonna swing it down to swing them out, smoke them out, whatever you name it. All right. So I think they will go down a lot lower in my opinion. So for the time being, I'm not bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. So thank you very much. I will let James to take over. Thanks.
Alright, so the first cross pair that I like you guys to take a look would be the pound to the New Zealand dollars. Alright, so as you can see for the pound to New Zealand dollars, this is the weekly time frame. We are still quite in a healthy uptrend. Okay, so what do we have over here? Previously, this was a very nice resistance zone. If you were to look back, it was a zone which price keep getting resisted. Alright, and then it managed to break upwards. So what do we have over here is lots of breakup traders having their long trades with their stop loss behind this previous swing low level. So in the last week, we have this kind of like a wick. So it's like taking away all those weak stock holders so that the price could go up eventually even more. Alright, so by Friday, we can see that GN closes as a very nice pin bar with price being supported at this support level. So I'm seeing that in this upcoming week, we should see price go all the way back towards the next resistance level at around this 1.92 zone. Alright, so for the pound New Zealand dollars, I'm still quite bullish with it. Okay, up next would be this pound to USD dollars. Okay, so for the entire last week, we can see USD dollars slides across all other currency pairs. So in the weekly time frame, we can see that structure wise, we are still quite bullish with higher high and higher low being formed. So over here was a very typical kind of resistance level which price didn't manage to hold. Alright, it just break through it easily. So I'm expecting pound to the US dollar to continue its up movement. Alright, however, this will not be a very nice area for you to re-enter. Should price retrace back to this 1.35 zone thereabout, this will be a good area for us to look up for a long entry. Of course, in the longer run, I'm still bullish on it and I'm expecting it to go up even higher, around 1.41 thereabout. Okay. Lastly, for the Aussie to the USD, okay, we can see the amount of up move that the price has been moving is almost close to a straight line. So after a series of bullish candle, we are finally reaching a resistance level which there could be signs of weaknesses coming in. Okay, we should not forget that we are still in a very nice healthy up move with no signs of downtrend such as lower low and such. But in this kind of zone like the 0.8 level, this is an area for us that we could look for a possible low risk entry of a short trade. Okay, so we still have about 200 pips more to go. So this week we have Aussie news, which could maybe push the price upwards into the resistance level, and we could look for a short in the upcoming week. Alright, so this is all we have for week 3 of 2018, and thank you very much for watching.